clearing out all these strawberries all the way down, taking them up by the root, trying to. These started out as root crowns, a whole lot of them, and it is completely taken over. So I'm trying to clear as much as I can, put as much as I can into pots, and then also as I'm going, till the soil and plant them in rows more and give them some space. Then I'll fertilize them quite heavily, and they should be good to go. They are ever-bearing, most of them. Our Ozark Beauty started off 9 root crowns, and I have, I don't know, a lot been taken over. It's almost like a weed that won't stop growing. So you just hit the edges. You want to get pretty far under. I don't think they're very temperamental, the roots, but you don't want to disturb them too much. It's a cloudy day. It rained a lot. So right here you have multiple root crowns. So you split off. That's one plant. Gently get between. It's 3 plants. A baby. There's another mama. And 2 more right there. That's just one clump. Every clump is, oh man, it's just packed with strawberry plants. So right there you got 2 babies. These are the runners. I clip these usually right before I put them in the ground, or just set them down in there. As you can see, the roots are well developed. Somebody told me a while back vitamin B12 helps with, transplant shock and everything. I've used it. I don't see any difference. I don't think you need it. This right here, 2 plants right next to each other. Go by the crown. And also when you're planting it, make sure that crown is facing out of your pot if you're putting them in pots. It's tedious work. God, there's so many earthworms in here. When I stopped tilling about 3 years ago, I started mixing all the leaves. That's 3 plants right there, holding my hand. I started mixing all these leaves into the ground, into the earth, and now I have a ton of earthworms. I don't need to buy castings anymore. So this is all a clump. There's 1, got 2, 3. I gotta do this quickly. I don't want them sitting out too long. Then there's a little baby. There's another and a baby. I'll keep that with the mama for now until it's bigger. That one preferably with the mama. A couple more babies. There's just a lot in here. And if anybody needs strawberry plants, hit me up, bro. Seriously. I don't know what to do with all this. I'm not even a quarter. Well, maybe I'm a quarter in. Yeah, I'm about a quarter in, and I don't know where to put these. So what I will do now, I'll show you guys, is all these strawberry plants that I just ripped up, I'm going to start going behind me in a row. Boop, boop, boop. See, I'm running out of room. Like, that's going to fill up. So I'm going to have to put them in pots, just so I could go a little further, and then buy some more pots, go a little further. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. I like it. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day. Blessed, be safe. Peace.